If your first episodes feel slow and confusing, you just might be Daredevil born again. Marvel fans are talking, and it's not all hype. Let's break down what's going on. First up, pacing. People say the show kicks off weirdly slow, but then rushes through big story moments like it's late for a meeting. Not exactly the epic start we hoped for. Next, let's talk characters. Matt Murdock, aka Daredevil, is front and center, but the rest of the cast, they're barely getting any love. Fans are definitely noticing that imbalance. Then there's the tone. One minute we're in a dark, gritty alley, the next it's quippy and comic booky. That jumpy vibe is throwing some viewers off. But here's the good news. The fight scenes and visuals, still totally killer. Classic Daredevil stuff. So, it's not all doom and gloom. What do you think? Is Born Again stumbling, or just getting started? Drop your thoughts below. The debate is just heating up.